come back here. Your house should have right yourself. Happy day, I think. You're not joke, Daddy. It's very nice down here though, and it's very, very serene. So we can't invite nobody else because then it won't be no private no more, it will be public. But welcome you to join me on my journey right here on a short vacation to Jamaica. If you look at the ocean, it's not too bumpy right now, but I enjoy this. Nice wind, not too hot. I just need some beer now. Some brown stuff. Brown liquid. Enjoy this day.
Mr. Gillens
Yes,
on the men's.